Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change default PDF viewer in Windows. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Windows settings. Now go to apps. Here you can see default apps option, just go on it. Now type .pdf here and select .pdf from here. You can see my default PDF viewer has been set to Adobe Acrobat. I am wanting to change it, so click on it, and here I am selecting Google Chrome as a default PDF viewer, and now save the changes. You can see I am doing it on Windows 11. The Windows settings in Windows 10 and Windows 11 are similar. You will see a similar type of interface in Windows 10 also. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.